So for this particular question, we are told that we have laser light of frequency f passing through a single slit and the resulting diffraction pattern is observed on a screen. So because this is a single slit diffraction, I'm just going to draw out the interference pattern. Okay, we're going to get something that looks like this, right? And basically, we are interested in the width of the central maximum. Okay, we are interested in this particular width over here. Now, they tell us that this is going to be x. Okay, and if this is going to be x, all right, our single slit interference formula tells us that we have b sine theta is going to be equal to lambda. All right, but this theta is the angular position of the first minima. All right, so this means that this is going to be theta instead. Okay, so if this is going to be theta, then this must mean that this section over here is going to be x over 2. Okay, so from here, let's just read the question a little bit more. Okay, we are told that we have the distance d between the single slit and the screen is much greater than the slit width. So if the distance d, all right, is much greater than the slit width, okay, then we can safely assume that theta is going to be small. Okay, so if theta is going to be small, this implies that sine theta is equal to theta. So we have b times theta is equal to lambda, and therefore theta is equal to lambda over b. All right, so now if theta is going to be small, then this must mean that if we assume that this triangle over here is actually the arc of a circle, then the central max over here, x, is going to be equal to d times 2 theta. Essentially, I'm using the formula s equals to r theta for the arc of a circle. Okay, again, because we are assuming that this triangle over here is actually the slice of a circle, all right, a sector of a circle. Okay, so using the formula s equals to r theta, where theta is the radians, all right, the angle, okay, x is equal to d times 2 theta. Right, so I'm going to sub in the value of theta that we had determined before. So x equals to d times 2 lambda over b. Okay, and they want an expression for the slit width. So the slit width, I'm going to make b the subject of our formula. We have 2 lambda d over x, right? But lambda is just going to be equal to the speed divided by the frequency, which is c over f. So writing this lambda as c over f, we have 2cd over fx. So as such, our best answer is going to be D.